Hey everybody, welcome back to this Yokomo SD9 Sport Kit build. Today we're going to work on the front and rear bumpers as well as the body posts. Real quick note, I said in the last video that we're going to install the ESC today, but I'm going to actually skip that step until a couple days from now. Next video is going to be the wheels, and I'm going to do the electronics last. And the reason is I ordered something and then I ordered an electronic component, and I want to wait for that because it solders onto the ESC. I want to wait for that before I set the ESC in place. So let's get started on building the bumpers, and for that we're going to need contents of bag 12, which is right here. All right, something strange happened when I was unpacking the screws. So it says the content of bag 12 has 18, 12, and 10 millimeter flatheads, but I was only able to find the 18. These are 10 and these are around 8. So I'm just going to bump these two up and assume the manual is wrong because I don't see any other screws in this bag. That's what we're going to do. So first step is going to be the front bumper, and this is going to go here. That was correct. These are more than adequate. This screw here is poking out. All right, next step is right here. We're going to add on the two body posts, and it looks like it's going to be these two right here. It says to pay attention to the direction of the part. That's what I'm going to do. So I think they want the holes to be side to side, not face front and back. So this is indexed as square, and there's a square cutout right here. And like the manual says, I don't know which one of these holes I'm going to use, but for now I'm just going to put it right here. All right, and the body posts are done. Let's work on the rear. In the back, it is only going to be this piece right here, which is that. This is the rear bumper, I guess. It's going to take these shorter screws. So it's going to be the 8 again. Same ones we just used. Okay, and for the back, the body posts actually are mounted onto the towers. Okay, and it says to watch the direction again. So it's going to be this way and that way. And it is the M3 by 10. These are just going to be button heads. We don't have to worry about it being a flathead, so I'm going to use this right here. Okay, and there it is. Just show you front and back. This is the front and the two posts. Like I said, make sure the holes are on the side and not facing forward and back. And the rear, the bumper is right there. And the two posts, same thing. Make sure the holes are mounted in the back, side to side. And they're going to be like that. Let's flip the page. Okay, and we're going to put the bracket on. Actually, let me pop these out as well. And now we're going to put this on there. Now we're going to secure this with the 18 screws, which are the long ones. All right, there we go. It's looking really good. Okay, let's do the body post. I mean the battery post right here. And it's going to go this direction right here. And we're going to need a 12, which is this one right here. And then next we're going to put some hoops onto the body post, so we know this is where the Lexan body is actually going to rest. I don't know exactly how tall my body is going to be, but I'm just going to put it on there anyway. Okay, that's it. That is everything on this page. Let's take a look what's coming up next. All right, and we're going to, pretty much the last thing we're going to do today is to put on the spur gear cover. And that's this right here. I think it's going to be this way. And it just goes down and line up those two holes, just like that. All right, like I said, I'm not going to use the antenna. I always just fold the antenna onto the receiver itself. So the next page is, this step also includes the ESC, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not going to work on this right now. I'm going to wait until I have one more component, electronic component, before I lay those down. So in the next video, we're going to glue the wheels. Even though this kit didn't come with wheels, I'm just going to use a set that I do have and just show you how to glue them together, and then we'll mount them onto the chassis. And I think after that we're done. We're just going to put a little bit of foam onto the battery tray there. And that's interesting because I need to figure out which position I'm going to place my battery. I'm not using the long battery. I'm going to be using the shorty pack. So I can distribute the weight in the back or in the center or in the front. It's most likely going to be in the back or in the middle. I don't imagine putting weight in the front. So thanks for watching this video. You got anything out of it, please drop a like. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.